Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I am doing a unboxing of a bunch. Well, I have 6 diamond paintings that I got from a Destash. If you remember a few videos ago, I did a Destash video for Diana with Diana Loves Colors. She was needing to get rid of some diamond paintings for some personal reasons, and so I helped her do that. And of course, I had to buy some myself, which y'all didn't get to see those because I got first pick. So anyway, I will leave Diana's YouTube channel in my description box, and you can actually email her if you would like, because I do believe she still has some left. I have no idea which one she has left, but I do know that she does still have a few left that she's trying to get rid of. Okay, so these all came, there's six diamond paintings. All right, and they all came in a great big huge box, and this was taped to one of the boxes, so I took this one off. And she, I think, yeah, she's got the names of the canvases written on here. So, but here is the letter that she sent me. So says yay, yay, yay. Okay, well, wait a minute. Okay, she's just thanking me. I'm not gonna read it because it's a personal card, but she's just thanking me for helping her, which, you know, hey, we all need a little help every once in a while, and she's my friend, and, you know, I don't mind helping nobody. So these are stickers. These are gorgeous. Look at all these maple leaves. Look, that's what I was named after, y'all, is a maple leaf, a scarlet maple, and that's what my they're old tattoos, but that's what they are, maple leaves. So I love these. Thank you. These are the stickers. Look, Diana has the worst, terrible time trying to peel these stickers off of these sheets like this. So she can't do it. I probably won't be able to either, because she does a lot of cards. So she deals with a lot of stickers. But oh my gosh, I love these. Look, there's some mushrooms. Pumpkins. These are beautiful. I like those. I like those. Yes. Okay, I'm going to stick those in there so I don't lose them. And then she's put me some stickers in here. We've got a lion, a cat. Oh, looky there. Looky there. She's got me a Boston Terrier sticker in there. Look, I love my Boston Terriers. There's a raccoon. I love that duck. Camouflage duck. And look, a little dog. Looks like maybe a golden retriever, maybe. Oh, I might have to put this on something up here. Okay. So there's my stickers. Okay. All right, so I am going to get a drink. All right, I am going to open this one first. She's got a bunch of stickers on here. Where is my box cutter? Okay. Which is funny because all of these were in. This might have been the original box that it came in. I don't know. But this was actually in a box with the rest of them. So, okay. You know what? Let me stand up and look and see. And bring y'all up a little bit. Alright. So here's this. And it is in a plastic sleeve. Now, I'm not going to go through all of, I'm going to open all of them, but this is not I'm just showing y'all something that I got from a Destash. Alright. So, oh, I cannot wait to see this one. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a Sherry Baldy. And it is diamondartdreams.com. That is Sherry Baldy's website. And she has got a Facebook, which I did not know. So I'm going to have to go do that. And then she has a hashtag, Diamond Art Dreams. But it says, I Love Pumpkins Bestie by Sherry Baldy. Oh my God. She's so adorable. So, it is the little baby bags. Oh, look, and there's some ABs right there. Oh, wow. Okay. And then it comes with, this is a 60 by 60. It's got 35 colors. Is she not adorable? Oh my God. Oh, and it has this, whoop, wait a minute. Okay, this is like stuff that came with, okay. Is she not adorable? Oh my God, y'all, look. And then it has, create a little sparkle in your world when diamond art dreams come true. And it's got like a velvet backing. Oh my God. Is she not flipping adorable? Look. I've been around for a while, okay? And Sherry Baldy is one of the artists I always wanted. There's a few artists that I've always wanted and never was able to get their kits because either A, I had lack of funding, or B, what I liked wasn't in stock. You know, there's all kinds of different factors that on the reason why I didn't get certain things. Ugh. But what is funny is doing Diana's Destash, helping her do her Destash. I actually was able to get a Sherry Baldy and another artist that had been on my wish list forever. I was able to get one of theirs. So it was pretty cool that I could do that. Okay, so here is another one that I purchased through Diana's Destash, which is the Honeybee Gnome. And this is a 50 by 69 centimeter. Alright. So, and y'all, you know, when you're buying from a Destash, odds are you're probably familiar with diamond painting. And I could care less if I have a toolkit or not. Now, if it's somebody that I have never had a toolkit or never had a, never purchased from a company, yeah, I wouldn't mind having the toolkit just so I can see what it's like. But odds are I probably wouldn't even use it. So if these don't come with a toolkit, I'm not going to get all tore up. But she did throw one in here. So I'm not going to go through the toolkit. But I know y'all want to know what's in it. So we'll look. Because I'm going to tell you, I have a certain tray that I use, certain kind of tray that I use. I don't use these trays. You know, the only time I even use these trays, or is if I am, after I diamond paint and I'm transferring my premium drills into other containers, I might use these. Or if I accidentally mix up my drills, then I might pull these smaller ones out and use it as a, like a, not a trash tray, but as a separator. That's really the only time I use them. So here's the washi. Here is the cover minder. Here's the pen and the squishy. I've always had issues trying to get these things on these pens. But anyway, and then here's the multiplacers, which I do use these. And of course I use this. But this stuff right here, I don't never even use it. I give it away. Or I've got boxes and boxes full. Because I don't never throw it away. But I keep it, but I don't use it. Anyway. This is the only thing that I actually keep and use. Alright. So this again is called, this is a Diamond Art Club. And he is a very cute size. Here's the little sticker. Here's this one. It's got 58 colors. We are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Yep. We've got 4 ABs. I'm not going to open all of these, but there they are. This is a good one for fall. Can y'all see it? Isn't he cute? And of course it has down here. This is, again, Honeybee Gnome. It's a 50.7 by 69 centimeters. And it's Donna Gelsinger. It's adorable. Y'all know I love my gnomes. And when Diana was doing her Destash, she was like, I've got one I know you're going to want. And I'm like, what is it? She said, look. And it was the gnome. I was like, you know I want that one. So here's that one. And then I'm going to show one more. And then you will have to stay tuned for part 2. Okay? Let me just stick that in there. Diana, these are adorable. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so she threw this one in for free because she said that it was groovy, far out, and she knew I would like it. She's had it for a while. So this is called Hippie Van, and it is a 32 by 32. Wish I'd had this one when I did my Feeling Groovy. There's another toolkit. Felt like something was in there, but it's not. All right, I'm not going to open that because we all know what they look like. All right. So, this is going to be adorable. Oh my gosh. All right, so this has got 32 colors. 32 by 32, and it's by Lisa Francis Judd. And it has the sticker sheet. And here's the drills. This is a square. I think the other one, that was a round, wasn't it? I think so. I didn't even pay attention. Okay, there's that. And then here's the little sticker. I put these in my, well, I put both of them. Once I get, if I use these, I always cut this part out. I stick this part and this part in my logbook. I don't ever stick them to the, on here to the box. Let me put that over here. But is this not adorable? Look, little bikini sitting over here hanging. Got the beach in the background. You got your surfboard. You got an umbrella. And your hippie sign there. Peace sign. I like this one. Thank you, Diana. You did not have to throw this one in. I hope you know that. But thank you. I like it. It is so cute. So, now, I have no idea. I do not think any of the, well, you know what? I don't know. I don't know if any of these are available on Diamond Art Club, or I do know that the Sherry Baldy is available on Sherry Baldy's website. But as far as the gnome and this one, I don't know, because I didn't look them up. So I have no earthly idea. So, all right, I will look and see if I can find them. If I can find them, I will put the links in the description box, and y'all can go check them out for yourself. But thank you, Diana. I really appreciate these. You know I love them. And all right, y'all go check Diana out. Send her an email if you're interested in knowing what other canvases she has to destash. I do know that she tried to destash some of them on the DAC Destash group in Facebook. I think she got a couple of them sold, but I don't think she sold all of them. So y'all go check out Diana and just ask her. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be watching for part 2. All right. Bye, y'all.